Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to share a Google Calendar with someone else, how to invite someone to your calendar. And it is important to note that you can only share a calendar from your Google Calendar on your computer. It won't allow you to do it via the mobile app on your mobile device. All right, so I have my main calendar here and I'd like to share it with my husband so he understands what I have going on. So what I need to do is navigate on the left-hand side. I need to navigate to the calendar I would like to share, which is this Jessica Alexander calendar. It's my main calendar. Right next to this calendar, there are three dots. If I hover over it with my mouse, click on the three dots and then click on Settings and Sharing. It'll give me the option to do a few things. I can get a shareable link. I could add people to the calendar. This would be using their email address. And once I have done that, they will be sent that calendar invite. I hope this video helped you learn how to share a Google Calendar, again, by grabbing a link or adding people's email addresses to your calendar. If this video was helpful, please like this video, share it out with anyone else who may benefit from it, and don't forget to click that subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our tech tips. My name is Jessica, and I'll see you in the next video.